Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Welcome back to Honest Review For You channel, your ultimate destination for all things feline approved. Today, we're diving into the world of cat care essentials, focusing on one of the most crucial items every cat owner needs. Top 5 Best Double-Layered Litter Mat. Number 1. World's Best Cat Litter Multiple Cat Unscented. About this item: new look, same formula. Our bag's getting a makeover, but our perfect litter stays unchanged. The same formula, the same litter, and the same great clump. New look coming soon. Outstanding odor control. More cats shouldn't mean more smells. Keep your cats happy with a natural litter with long-lasting odor control, quick clumping, and easy scooping. Multiple cats can most often mean more cleanup, but not with this fast-acting natural litter that requires no chiseling or scraping. Lightweight and 99% dust-free. Naturally free of silica dust. This lightweight cat litter offers low tracking and less mess, so you and your cat can breathe easy. For the best results, do not mix with a non-clumping litter. Pet, people, and planet-friendly, a naturally safe litter made from whole kernel corn that offers no harmful chemicals and no artificial perfumes. Age range description. All life stages. Number 2. PetFusion ToughGrip Waterproof Cat Litter Mat. About this item: premium grade silicone. Non-porous and waterproof. Silicone prevents absorption and lingering odors. 2. Durable yet comfortable for your cat to walk on and release cat litter. 3. Flexible and easy to clean. Great at trapping cat litter. Thoughtful design with elevated inner ridges and outer lip to effectively contain pesky cat litter. 2. Large surface area allows greater range upon exiting litter box. Easy to clean flexible options. Broom, vacuum, sponge. Litter remains on surface recesses, but unlike other cat litter mats, no longer trapped from view or reach. Great value. Save money by simply folding and pouring clean litter back into your cat litter box. 2. Includes side spout and anti-slip traction. 3. Will last for years and years. Never fades, never breaks, and never loses shape. You should know. 38 by 26 inches W/3-inch lip. 2. Recommend butting up against litter box exit for max litter mat coverage. Portrait orientation. Number 3. Amazon Basics Less Mess. About this item: cat litter mat minimizes tracked litter and helps protect floors. Litter trapping roofs in a crisscross pattern of diamonds and a deep border along the edge. Soft step-able surface ensures comfort for sensitive kitty paws. Durable PVC material. Elegant style in a solid brown color. Measures 35 by 24 inches. LXW. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. Fresh Step Jumbo Litter Mat. Keeps floors and paws clean. The Fresh Step Cat Litter Mat traps litter and keeps your cat's pen area clean by trapping litter as your cat exits the litter box. Easy to clean, toe clean. Shake trap litter off of cat litter box mat. Run under cold water or spot clean, and then allow litter catcher mat to air dry. Jumbo size for multiple cats or jumbo boxes. This extra large litter trapping mat is perfect for a jumbo litter box or multiple cat households. Mat measurements. The jumbo mat measures 47 by 35 for the most cat litter mat litter trapping potential. Gray cat pattern design. This mat is gray in color to match any house decor, with textured images of cats playing with yarn. Number 5. Fresh Kitty Durable XL Jumbo Foam Litter Mat. The Fresh Kitty Decorative Foam Litter Mat from Royal Pet is an unobtrusive soft mat that helps catch loose litter and prevents it from being tracked throughout the house. Ribbed foam will help protect your floor and catches litter. Easy to use and easy to maintain, this mat is a simple solution to messy kitties. Also works for messy birds, guinea pigs, and to catch other pet debris. To keep your home tidy. Measures 40x25 to protect the entire area surrounding the litter box. Vertical bar color blue and white chevrons. Included components: foam litter mat, blue and white chevron, traps excess litter. The ribbed foam helps protect your floors and catches loose litter, preventing it from being tracked throughout your house.